One thing that sometimes confuses people is the difference between the home screen, which is what we're looking at right now, and the app library, which is what you'll see when you swipe all the way to the right on your home screen. Home screen will show your apps in that usual grid format, and the app library will automatically organize them into these little category bundles that cannot be edited by the user. App library also has a search bar on the top that allows you to quickly view a full list of all your apps, and you can scroll this list to find apps, or you can type the app name into the search. Now, the reason this gets confusing sometimes is because your apps can live on both the home screen and app library, or they can be only visible in the app library, depending on your settings. Let me show you an example. I can pick an app on the home screen. Let's take Instagram, for example. If I long press the app and then choose Remove App, I can then choose to leave the app installed on my phone and only remove it from the home screen. When I do that, it'll disappear from the home screen, but when I navigate to my app library, all the way on the right, you'll see that Instagram is still accessible here. So, if it's on the home screen, it's always also available in the app library. But having an app in the app library does not automatically mean it's also on your home screen. If I want this app back on the home screen, I can long press it here in the app library and choose Add to Home Screen. It'll go back to the home screen, but not necessarily in the same location where it was earlier. If you want to move it, you can long press the app and drag it to a different position on your home screen. There is a setting that lets you choose whether the apps you download go on the home screen, and therefore also in the app library, or if they will only go in the app library and not on the home screen. You can change this by going to Settings and then scrolling down to Home Screen and App Library. Or you can just search for App Library and look for the option for Newly Downloaded Apps. There's two options. You can have them added to the home screen or have them go to the app library only. And like I already said, having them on the home screen will also show them in the app library. Setting them to only go in the app library means you won't see them on your home screen, but you can add them there later if needed. And that's home screen versus the app library. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.